this is Parnashree and welcome back to my channel. So as the title suggests, this is the part 2 of fashion mistakes men make that women hate. So I'm gonna share 10 major dressing mistakes. I know men's fashion is a tricky thing, but I'm sure you will laugh, and from today you will know the crimes which no man should ever commit. So are you guys ready? Let's get into it. Perfume or deo? We women love fragrances, but guys, nothing in excess is good. So there is a fine line between seductive smell and simply stinking up the place. So हम लोग को पूरा बॉटल तो खत्म करना नहीं है, तो आप बस 3 जगह पे अप्लाई कीजिए: wrist, neck and behind the ears. That's it. This will do the job. And too much fragrances is not only a turn off, but also it can cause migraines and allergic reactions. Sunglasses indoors? मैंने क्यों पहना है? आप लोग भी तो पहनते हो ना, मेट्रो में, लोकल ट्रेन में. But guys, sunglasses are made for the sun, no? So do not wear them inside. Extra deep V-neck shirt. They are useful as undershirts, but it doesn't function well by itself. I mean, man cleavage? Are you guys kidding me? We don't want to see that. So a normal V-neck or Henley is far better alternative. Running or hiking shoes? They are perfect for the gym and hiking, of course, but for everyday wear, a big no-no. So instead, consider investing in a good pair of sneakers or loafers. Sandals and socks. Are you guys hot or are you guys cold? You guys need to make up your mind. I mean, sandals are designed to keep your feet open. गर्मी में हम sandals पहनते हैं और ठंडी लगे तो हम socks पहनते हैं. दोनों एक साथ कैसे possible है? Right? Big belt with buckles, again, is a no-no. Are you a cowboy? No, right? Then do not wear big belt buckles, okay? Wearing oversized ties? It's okay if you want to look immature, but if you don't want to look immature, then do not let your tie fall beyond the belt line. So the tip of your tie should end between the top and the bottom of your belt buckle. Avoid wearing a short sleeve shirt. If you want to look professional, stick to long sleeve shirts when you are wearing a tie. Do you wear suspenders with a belt? I mean, they both serve the same purpose. They keep your pants up. So choose one or the other. I mean, pants इतने भी तो भारी होते नहीं है कि आप दोनों चीज एक साथ पहन लो. Isn't it? Large logos. It's a smart marketing move though. Advertisers would love it. But guys, unless you are getting paid, why would you wear such logos or brands on your shirts? So keep it simple. So that was it, guys. Do not get me wrong, every man should dress for himself before others. It all depends on how you hold yourself. That's it. जाने से पहले like करो, share करो, subscribe करो. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.